Good evening, one and all. Bishop Dr. Lang giving you an update, my weekly medical update. I really thank everybody who's on today. We want to share with you, just share with you um, the topics. And I started a few weeks ago talking a little bit about your immune system. And I wanted to continue today talking about the immune system and getting you, kind of up to date. We talked in general the last time, and today I just wanted to let you realize and talk about some few specifics. We're not going to talk about everything today, but over the course of a few weeks, I will hope to give you a good summary of your immune system and the things that you can do. We did in general. Remember, in general, what you're going to do to boost your immune system is to eat right, exercise, sleep enough, and then we'll talk about various supplements that you may be able to do over the course of time to help you. So eat, sleep right, exercise, and really take good care of yourself, drinking enough water, and we will go over that. Your immune system is the part that your body that's going to help to defend against all of the various insults that will come into the body, whether virus, bacteria, and such alike. One of the line of defense is your white blood cells, which is made up of various kinds. You have the phagocytes, the leukocytes, and I won't go into detail to bore you about that, but just so you know, when a foreign body goes into your system, the white blood cells, the phagocytes are what is there to, kind of sequester them. The white blood cells will increase in number. Then they have the killer white cells that are going to work to try to destroy, break down the proteins of whatever comes into your system. And then in so doing, your body will start up a defense against all this stuff. Through that whole lymphatic system, your body then, once it sees a foreign body, it learns about it, and then it makes what we call antibodies that would then, defend you if your body sees those substances again. I know you hear them talking about with the virus that is around now. You hear them talking about, the antibodies. So I won't bore you with the details, but just suffice it to say, once a foreign body comes into your system, white blood cells set up their line of defense. They break them down, learn about them, to put it in a layman's term, and then your body now develop a defense system. Of course, a lot of times, for example, when you have a fever, everybody get worried about it, but actually your fever is your body working. When the body builds up the white cells, then it causes a system to then, rise your temperature in an effort to also kill whatever foreign is in your system. So the fever, yes, it's a marker that something is wrong, but it's also a part of your old defense mechanism. So then the white blood cells are definitely there. They do their thing. They work on, developing a lot more, kind of sequestering the bacteria, virus, whatever comes in, break it down, learn about it, and then you'll develop antibodies that will help you, in the future. Then the lymphatic system, the spleen and stuff is what is part of what's going to drain all of that infection and bad things out of your system. Everything gets cleared to the spleen, and then the lymphatic drainage that will then get it out of your system. Of course, your bone marrow and thymus glands are also important. The bone marrow is where most of the cells are made. And this is why your body needs good energy, it needs good fluid, it needs all of that stuff for everything to work. So for your bone marrow to work, to make the cells, it needs to be healthy. And then, your thymus gland is one of the things that also help make some of the cells that are necessary to defend the system. So the update then for today is your body is a great organ that is made up to defend itself. And the main way you're going to boost your immunity is by, being as healthy as you can, eating healthy, getting enough rest, getting exercise, and doing all the good things to your body. So you don't want to go overindulge, in just carbs, for example, but you want to eat a balanced diet that would make up. And remember now what a balanced diet is made up of is basically if you want to split your plate up and use that as an example, half should be fruits and vegetables, then another quarter should be your protein, and then a quarter should be the carbs. So carbs shouldn't be, most of our plates, I don't know, I suppose those of us from the island, most of our plates, 2/3 are carbs. But that's not what your system needs, because of course, if you indulge in too much carbs, that just gets translated to sugar in your system, and then when your body sees a lot of it, it goes into storage and it stores the extra as fat. And therefore, you will see that your fat level in the system is going to go up as you consume carbs. So remember now, we're trying to boost your immune system, especially in this time with all of these infections that are around. And so we want you to, give your body the support it needs so that it can develop good white blood cells that are going to be able to fight, and then your phagocytes are going to be able to destroy the cells, and then to learn about them, to make antibodies. Then your lymphatic system will drain out all the waste. And of course, your bone marrow is so important because that's where most of the stuff is made. So healthy diet, exercise, rest, drinking a lot of fluids. And then, of course, we'll talk in future episodes on a weekly update about, other supplements that you may be able to do, especially for those who have various chronic illnesses and are, going through various things. We will get to that at a later date, and we will share all of that with you as we go along. So this is Bishop Dr. Lang saying have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of this weekend. Eat right, eat healthy, stay tuned, get out there. I know it's hot. Get out early morning or late evening for a walk. Get out of the couch, get away from those younger people from the video games and all of that stuff, and just take this time to really, really focus on your health. Focus on boosting your immune system. Blessings. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.